Hey guys, Tom Eckers at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Just wanted to take a moment out of your day, show you a brand new 2020 Nautique G23 that just came in. We're going to have it in inventory for you to take a peek at whenever you want to stop on by. But we're going to start at the transom of this boat. New for 2020 on the G23, these beautiful transom seats on either side of the nice cooler that the G23 has always had. Just going to make that area a little bit more enjoyable, relaxing, so that you can lounge on the water. Moving up onto the sun pad and walk through. Again, the G23 has the ballast tanks built into the boat, so you got a lot of nice storage. You're not going to have any bags there. They're not going to take up any space. Lots of storage for life jackets, boards, gear, coolers, whatever you want. You can fit inside those. Inside the G23, plenty of seating. Of course, you got this seat here that can always move. So if you have somebody wake surfing, if you have somebody wakeboarding, and the attention is behind the boat, everybody can turn and have a comfortable viewing of whoever is riding and really enjoy the moment with them. That's kind of what it's about. It's about community in this boat, and this boat does a great job of just kind of bringing everyone together in the boat. Extra backrest here if you want it, otherwise that will lay flat, and you can have complete wraparound seating. At the helm, of course, you got the link system. It's all touchscreen. If you want to control it with that little knob next to the steering wheel, you certainly can. Otherwise, that touchscreen there lets you use everything in the boat. The lights, the Bluetooth, the sound system, the ballast tanks, everything is digitally controlled through that touchscreen. And then moving into the bow, lots of room in the bow. It's got a nice playpen feature. If you flip that playpen over, you do have the standard SeaDeck walkthrough, so you can easily enter and exit the boat right out of the bow. But again, just a beautiful boat. Just showed up a little bit ago. We're excited to show it. Again, 2020 G23. If you have any questions about this one or any other boats in inventory, by all means stop by, ask for myself, Tom Eckers, or any of the other sales consultant. And as always, hit the like and subscribe button. More videos come on daily. Thanks guys.